We grow sunflowers on our homestead. They are great for attracting butterflies and bees for pollination. We grow them for several reasons. The petals can be used in salads, and the greens can be sauteed like spinach or baked like kale chips. The leaves can be steeped to make a delicious tea. The seeds are great to put through an oil press to make your own cooking oil, or the seeds are great for goats as a preemptive dewormer. Another thing you can use the seeds for is a coffee alternative. Just roast the seeds and use them like regular coffee.